Number 3. You won't believe this aloe vera secret for spotless skin. Let's get started. In today's society, having a flawless skin is considered to be a sign of beauty. Hence, people go to any extent to achieve that flawless skin. They spend lots of money on expensive skincare products, but sometimes it can really do more harm than good. There are also some homemade remedies which may contain harsh ingredients and may cause more harm to your skin. But wait, what if we tell you that there is a miraculous ingredient which can be used in order to treat acne scars, sunburns, age spots, and even the dryness of the skin? And the most amazing thing about this ingredient is that it is available at your home itself. Yes, you heard it right. It is none other than aloe vera. While many of us use aloe vera gel for its laxative effect, few of us are aware that this simple plant has numerous benefits for our skin. Well, if you want to know all those secrets of aloe vera, then make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's begin. Number 1. Aloe vera for acne scars. Acne scars or marks are one of the most common skin problems faced by a lot of people nowadays. This condition occurs when the sebaceous glands of the skin become clogged up with dirt and bacteria, which eventually leads to inflammation of the skin. As a result, pimples or acne scars are formed. Though there are various treatments available to get rid of acne scars, aloe vera can be a true blessing in this case. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera reduces redness and puffiness caused by acne scars. Also, its antibacterial properties fight off the bacteria and reduce the chances of getting an infection in the acne scars. The simplest way to apply aloe vera for acne scars is to take a fresh leaf out of the aloe vera plant, extract the gel out of it, and apply that directly to the scars. Allow it to sit on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes before scrubbing it off. Make sure to follow this remedy on a daily basis to get best results. Number 2. Get rid of sunburn with aloe vera. Sunburn happens when the skin gets overexposed to the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. This exposure leads to redness, pain, and swelling of the skin. Well, aloe vera can be a great ingredient to soothe sunburn as it contains natural anti-inflammatory agents which can easily reduce the redness caused due to sunburn. In addition to this, aloe vera is also rich in antioxidants that help repair the damage done by the sun to your skin. To get the most out of aloe vera for sunburn, it is necessary to apply the gel directly on the affected area within 10 minutes of getting exposed to the sun. This will soothe the skin and cool the sunburn. But make sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water too, as this will prevent your body from getting dehydrated due to sunburn. Number 3. Treat age spots with aloe vera. Age spots or sunspots are one of the common signs of aging. These spots occur when there is an overproduction of melanin, which is a pigment that determines the color of your skin. Though age spots are harmless, they can be quite discolored and can make your skin look older. Fortunately, aloe vera can work wonders in treating age spots. The antioxidants present in aloe vera protect the skin against the harmful UV rays of the sun, which eventually prevents the formation of age spots. Additionally, aloe vera also brightens up the skin tone and fades away the existing age spots. You can use aloe vera for age spots in two ways. First, you can apply the gel directly on the affected area and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Second, you can also mix aloe vera gel with sugar and lemon juice and scrub the affected area with this mixture. Make sure to follow whichever method you choose on a daily basis to fade away those age spots. Number 4. Keep your skin hydrated. One of the most important benefits of aloe vera is that it keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized. It has humectant properties which helps the skin to retain moisture for a longer period of time. Due to this effect of aloe vera, your skin remains soft and supple and you will no longer have to worry about the dry skin. Moreover, hydrating your skin also gives you a healthy and youthful glow. The easiest way to hydrate your skin with aloe vera is to apply the gel directly on your face and gently massage it in an upward direction. This will improve the texture of your skin and will also stimulate blood circulation. Number 5. Remove excess oil from the skin. Excess oil on the skin can often lead to clogging of pores, which further causes acne, blackheads, and other such problems. But thanks to aloe vera, which not only reduces the excess oil production, but also controls the inflammation of the sebaceous glands. This effect of aloe vera is due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. With these properties, aloe vera fights off the bacteria and balances the pH of the skin, which eventually reduces the oiliness of the skin. If you want to get the most out of aloe vera for oily skin, you should start consuming it. Yes, you can add aloe vera cubes to your drinks like smoothies or shakes. Or else you can also simply consume aloe vera juice on a regular basis to balance the oil production of your skin. Number 6. Reduce the early signs of aging. As we grow older, our skin starts to sag and wrinkle due to the reduced production of collagen and elastin, which are the proteins responsible for maintaining the elasticity and firmness of the skin. But don't worry, because aloe vera contains plenty of antioxidants and nutrients which stimulates the production of collagen and elastin. This eventually improves the texture of the skin and reduces the early signs of aging. Not only this, aloe vera also protects the skin from the harmful effects of free radicals, which are one of the major causes of aging. To reap these benefits of aloe vera, you can mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with half teaspoon of vitamin E oil and apply it on your face every day before going to bed. Make sure to massage it well so that it gets absorbed properly into your skin. 7. Heal minor cuts and burns. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of aloe vera makes it a perfect ingredient to heal minor cuts and burns. Applying aloe vera on the affected area reduces redness, swelling, and pain, and also prevents the entry of harmful bacteria into the skin. Due to these effects, aloe vera speeds up the healing process and helps in getting a faster recovery. The simplest way to use aloe vera for cuts and burns is to apply the gel directly on the affected area. You can also mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil for better results. Number 8. Treat cold sores. Cold sores are nothing but a type of fever blisters which are usually caused due to a viral infection. Though cold sores are harmless and go away on their own, they can be painful and annoying at the same time. But if you want to speed up the healing process, then try applying aloe vera gel on the affected area. Its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties will reduce the pain and inflammation caused due to cold sores. Also, aloe vera boosts the immune system of the body, which helps in fighting off the virus causing the cold sores. 9. Lighten skin tone. Hyperpigmentation is a skin condition in which there is an overproduction of melanin, which results in darkening of the skin. People with darker skin tones are more prone to this problem. Fortunately, aloe vera can work wonders for hyperpigmentation as it inhibits the production of tyrosinase, which is the enzyme responsible for the production of melanin. Due to this effect of aloe vera, your skin will gradually become lighter and the blemishes will also be reduced. Apart from this, aloe vera also brightens up the skin tone and gives you a healthy glow. You can use aloe vera for skin lightening by applying the gel directly on your face and leaving it for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Make sure to follow this remedy on a daily basis to see the best results. Number 10. Reduce the appearance of pimples. Pimples are the most common skin problem faced by teenagers and young adults. This condition occurs when the hair follicles get clogged up with dirt, bacteria, and excess oil, which eventually leads to inflammation of the skin. As a result, pimples or acne are formed. Well, aloe vera can come to your rescue in this situation as it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. These properties reduce the redness and puffiness caused by pimples and also prevent the formation of acne scars. The best way to use aloe vera for pimples is to mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of honey and apply it on your face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before scrubbing it off. Follow this remedy on a regular basis to reduce the appearance of pimples. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for getting clear and spotless skin. Click on that like button and comment down below your views and queries related to aloe vera. We'll be happy to answer them. Take care and see you in the next video.